Now we are doing the experiment for biology experiment kit with data logging. The experiment is to check the pH value of different liquids by using the pH probe with the tablet. Apparatus we required are 2 different liquids, tablet, pH sensor, connecting lead, pH probe. Connect the pH probe with the tablet as demonstrated and remove the probe from storage liquid before using. Switch on the tablet. Open the My Lab application. Select the pH mode. Select the settings option. Select the sample rate at 1 second and sample duration over 10 seconds. Put the predict mode on and enter. Now insert the probe in the liquid. Press the Go button. The probe will record the value of pH in liquid with respect to time. Remove the probe from one liquid and insert in another liquid. Repeat the same procedure, note on the value of pH on tablet.